Check out this amazing pool. It has a built-in hot tub, seats for your relaxation, and also look at this gorgeous waterfall. Let's not forget the pool house with the bathroom and kitchen. When you're done with the pool, you can come towel off and relax in this amazing gazebo. With 10-foot ceilings throughout the entire house, and not to mention this soaring 20-foot ceiling in the dining room with a stunning chandelier. In the heart of every home, this gorgeous custom kitchen with built-in Melee appliances, dual paneled fridge and freezer, 36-inch wide, dual dishwasher, dual sink, vegetable steamer, and built-in microwave. Huge primary bedroom with 5.1 surround sound. You can relax in this beautiful sitting room. His amber walk-in closets. And a very deep soaker jacuzzi tub. Check out this huge walk-in closet with direct access to second floor laundry. And it comes fully equipped with an in-law or nanny suite with a full kitchen, an entertainment area, and a large bedroom. Step inside to your own personal movie theater. Not only do we have this amazing entertainment area, but we also have this grassed off area for the kids to run around and play.